Look, Jessica, go right there.
Be careful.
You gotta come with me.
Yay!
Be careful.
God,
Do not run. Do not run. Walk and be careful.
Yeah, don't run. Just walk really fast.
Jared Ryan, knock it off, child, please.
You really want some Chris up there done, but
Careful.
flipping the room yet.
Come back. I don't know which way the truck's going. Oh, you got another one coming, Chris. Come on, baby.
Maybe they'll get splashed.
Chris, that truck is coming, baby. Come on.
Stand right there.
Jared.
Oh, I'm not fast enough. Come on. Disappointment.
Jared.
I want to splash these fools. I see two kids standing outside. I'm hitting the gas and I'm trying to splash them.
Jared Ryan.
Oh my God. Imagine if they were
Careful. Careful. Jessica, don't you dare try to run. You nut.
Yeah, try to run faster.
Jared, please.
Like I said, take off the glasses and lay in it.
Jared.
Well, that one guy did.
He was laying. He was laying.
the last thing, but we don't have one, so...
All right, y'all can come in now. Jessie, I told you not to run, young lady.
She's not. She's sticking her feet.
She's going to end up tripping. Chris! Young man! House! Now! Do they not understand
Dumb and
English?
dumber! Turn around!
Thank you.
See, you say their names, they don't listen. I insult them and they listen. Show you how much good that does for me, huh?
You too? Listen. No, you're not.
It's fun,
Yeah,
Sean.
Sean! It'll probably go over his head.
Sean! See right now.
Johnny, come on!
Get the water.
Johnny, come on!
He said no.
I'm gonna drag him out.
No, you're not.
Grab it.
Wait. Oh,
No.
Never mind.
Leave him alone. Leave him alone.
No, I was just going to say something.
Well, you take back what you're fixing to say.
Don't we have like a ball or something we can toss in the middle of it and watch it roll down the road?
Go to talk about this.
No, the soccer ball we actually...
Oh, down.
It ain't gonna drown.
Oh, that's... Oh, I see. Cool. Look, you should have had this on video.
What?
You watch the middle of the road, water's going like this
I know.
way, water's going like that, and in the middle of the road.
I know, I see.
Those cars coming back and forth, they're helping. They know what they're doing.
Well, the little cars don't know what they're doing.